you know the person.
So they know.
This is for.
All of us dialed in.
Welcome back. Today we are counting down the top 10 best war movies. Films filled with intense battle, powerful stories, unforgettable heroes and stunning filmmaking. From World War II to modern combat, these movies capture courage, sacrifice and raw human drama. Let's jump into the list. At number 10, Midway. Midway tells the true story of the pivotal World War II battle that shifted the Pacific War. After the attack on Pearl Harbor, American pilot, intelligence officer, and sailors united for a daring counter-strike against the Japanese fleet. The film follows real heroes like Dick West and Edwin Layton as they faced impossible odds, explosive air combat, and life-or-death decisions. With intense action, strong performances, and respectful historical details, it honors the bravery of those who fought. Number 9. Fury. Set in the final months of World War II, Fury follows a battle-hardened tank crew led by Sergeant Donald Daddy Collier as they push deep into Nazi Germany. With a new, inexperienced soldier joining their team, the crew faces brutal combat, impossible odds, and the harsh realities of war inside their Sherman tank. Fury, Brad Pitt, Shia LaBeouf, and the cast deliver raw, powerful performances, and the film blends intense action with emotional depth and brotherhood. At number 8, The Outpost. Based on a true story, The Outpost follows a small unit of US soldiers stationed at a vulnerable combat outpost in Afghanistan, surrounded by towering mountains and enemy forces. When Taliban fighters launch a massive surprise attack, the soldiers must work together to survive against overwhelming odds. The film captures the chaos, fear, and courage of real warfare with standout performances from Scott Eastwood and Caleb Landry Jones. Its realism and intensity make every moment gripping and emotional. At number 7, Hacksaw Ridge.
This is for.
Hacksaw Ridge tells the incredible true story of Desmond Doss, a World War II medic who enlisted in the army with a vow never to carry a weapon. Facing skepticism and ridicule, Doss proves his courage during the brutal Battle of Okinawa, saving dozens of soldiers under relentless fire. Andrew Garfield delivers a moving performance, and Mel Gibson's direction combines intense, harrowing combat with inspiring human heroism. The film balances action, faith, and moral courage brilliantly. At number 6, Dunkirk. Dunkirk follows the evacuation of Allied soldiers from Nazi-occupied France in 1940, told from three perspectives: land, sea, and air. Soldiers are on the beach, face relentless attack. Civilians brave the channel to rescue them, and pilots fight desperately overhead. Christopher Nolan's masterful direction creates nail-biting tension with minimal dialogue, stunning visuals, and immersive sound design. The film captures the chaos, fear, and heroism of survival under impossible odds. At number 5, Danger Crouch.
This is for Tim. Tammy.
Fall back. Enemy in the wire.
Based on the true Battle of Long Tan, Danger Crouch follows a young, outnumbered group of Australian and New Zealand soldiers trapped in a deadly fight against a massive Viet Cong force. As monsoon rain pours and ammunition runs low, they rely on courage, teamwork, and sheer determination to survive. The film delivers intense battlefield action, emotional brotherhood, and a grounded look at the soldiers who stood their ground against overwhelming odds. At number 4, Devotion. Devotion follows Jesse Brown, the US Navy's first black aviator, and his wingman, Tom Hardner, as they forge an unbreakable bond during the Korean War. The story blends tense fight missions, personal struggles, and the quiet resilience Jesse carries against prejudice. With powerful performances and stunning aerial combat, the film delivers both heart and heroism. It is gripping tribute to loyalty, sacrifice, and the bravery that defines true brotherhood. At number 3, Enemy at the Gates. Enemy at the Gates immerses you in the Battle of Stalingrad, where Soviet sniper Vasily Zhedgev becomes a symbol of hope amid devastation. Tasked with survival, he faces a deadly duel against a skilled German marksman sent to eliminate him. Every shot and silence is filled with tension as the city burns around them. With haunting visuals, gripping rivalry, and emotional depth, the film is a chilling war thriller that captures courage, survival, and the human cost of battle. At number 2, Black Hawk Down. Black Hawk Down throws you into the heart of the 1993 Battle of Mogadishu, where a quick US mission collapses into a desperate struggle to survive. After 2 Black Hawk helicopters are shot down, elite soldiers fight through overwhelming enemy fire to rescue their brothers in arms. The film's gritty realism, non-stop tension, and powerful performances make every moment feel urgent and deadly. It is raw, hard-hitting war epic that captures bravery, chaos, and the brutal cost of combat. At number 1, Saving Private Ryan. After the D-Day invasion, Captain Miller and his squad are sent on a dangerous mission. Find and bring home Private James Ryan, the last surviving brother in his family. As they fight through war-torn France, the team faces brutal battles, impossible choices, and the true cost of sacrifice. Tom Hanks leads a powerful cast, and Spielberg's raw, realistic direction makes every moment intense and unforgettable. The film blends heroism, humanity, and heartbreak with haunting authenticity.